I am Ria and welcome back to my channel, Just Ria. If you are new here, I hope that by the time you finish watching this video, you hit that subscribe button and turn that red button gray. And if you are already subscribed, then welcome back. Thank you so much for your continued support. Like I told you guys last week, I was coming back this week to do a very small cash stuffing. $160 is what we're going to be stuffing today. $160. So I'm just going to be getting this money straight really quick. Just to give you guys a quick rundown of how everything has been going. As far as since last week, everything has been going everything has been going pretty good. I can't say that I have missed budgeted or even under budgeted. Everything has been pretty much going pretty good. Go ahead and count this out. We have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 142, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, $160 is what we are stuffing today. Like I told you guys last week, it's going to be a very small one, but to track my progress and to keep you guys updated, I definitely wanted to make sure I came on here and did the cash stuffing. I do plan on doing sinking funds next month, so I'm excited for that. While we are here, let's go ahead and see. I do have some coins that I need to get me just a coin pouch. So for the weekly update, not a lot of change at all, but we're just gonna go ahead and put in what we have. Keep things normal as if it's just a regular cash stuffing video, because it is. Let's see if I have any ones or anything. So nothing so far. They still have $10. I know it's in there and I'm gonna keep it in there. Well, except their ones. Okay, so we have ones right here. And Kayla doesn't have any ones. So everything else is empty. We have four ones. The ones are gonna go in my dollar jar. Oh, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $9. We're moving on up. Okay. So now let's get into stuffing. All right, so this is what I budgeted for, just for this mini budget. I already allocated $150, scratched everything that I've scratched off. That means that I went on ahead and had to use the money right then and there because what I needed it for, it was in need. So tithes and offerings, that's gonna be next week. I already did groceries. Gas is going to get 15. So 3 5s, 1, 2, 3, $15. Okay. House stuff is going to get 10. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just for tissue and stuff, you know, just little house accessories. Kiddos is going to get 15, 5, 10, 15. 5, 10, 15. Okay, self-care is getting $10. Let me just put this over here. $10 for self-care. And I already have 10 in there, so let me just count it. It's 5, 10, 15, 20. Go me. And this is for like my hair, or if I'm getting my eyebrows waxed, that's what self-care is for. Hubby, he already spent his, so Rhea is getting 75, that's 20, 40, 50, 60, oh, I have to use that. 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 172, 73, 74, 75. All right. If anybody knows how I can fix this envelope, let me know. I thought about putting nail glue right there, but I'm just so disappointed that it's ripping. And then it had to be mine. All right, so I got some fur babies. They're not getting anything. They still have $10, which is right on budget for them. Alex, I'm gonna put $5 in Alex. He has 15 left, so 10, 15, and then 20. Niecy is getting $5 added. She has 10, 15, 20. Kayla, she still has a good bit of her money, so 20, 30, 45, and I'm adding $5 to it, so 50. So now she has 50, so 20, 30, 45, 50. Grown-up fund, we already spent that. Miscellaneous gets one $10 bill. And giving and tips gets 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1. All right, and that wraps up this cash stuffing video, you guys. Thanks for coming back in to check in to see how I've been doing. So far, it's been going great. I can't say that I have, like I said, I didn't under budget, I didn't over budget. It has been great. I want to share with you guys again where I deserve a gold star. So for staying on budget, because I've done really good. And then things that I could do better is try to spend less. So now that I'm getting the grasp of budgeting, I think I want to scale back where I can. So we'll see how that goes. If I want to scale back, I probably would scale back on family outings and grown-up fun. I would take it down a little bit, but we'll see how it goes. So I will be checking back in with you guys next week. I already have it written out. I just need to figure out what I'm allocating to what. And then I'm going to start working on financial goals for October, I'm sorry. Yeah, well, I've already started working on some, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna be working on for next week, and getting into some of these sinking funds that have not been touched yet. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye.